Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam pausing downloads. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the Settings window where you can configure various aspects of your Steam clients. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles your game downloads and updates, which is exactly what we need to adjust to fix the pausing issue. Now find the download region option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select the region that's closest to your actual location. Choosing a nearby server can significantly improve your download stability and prevent those frustrating pauses. After selecting your region, you'll need to click Restart Now. Steam will quickly restart to apply this change, so give it a moment to close and reopen. This restart ensures that your new region settings take effect immediately. Once Steam is back up, head back into Settings and the Download section again. This time, look for the option that says Allow downloads during gameplay. Right beside it, toggle this option on. Enabling this feature gives Steam more flexibility in managing your downloads, which can help prevent them from pausing unexpectedly. Next, scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, click Clear Cache. A confirmation prompt will appear, so go ahead and click Confirm. Clearing the cache removes any corrupted temporary files that might be causing your downloads to pause, giving Steam a fresh start with your download queue. If you're still experiencing pausing downloads after trying these steps, don't worry, there's one more solution to try. In the left panel of Settings, click on Storage. Here you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select different storage drives. Click on it and choose the local drive that's experiencing the pausing download issues. This tells Steam which storage location needs attention. Now click on the three dotted lines next to your selected drive, and from the menu that appears, select Repair Library. This process scans your game files and fixes any issues with the download structure on that drive, which often resolves persistent pausing problems. And there you have it, you've successfully troubleshooted your Steam download pausing issue. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.